Ayan, mapagpalang araw po sa lahat. So, for today's video ay may babatiin lang akong isa nating kaibigan, no, all the way na nakilala ko sa isang team, which is Team Kaagapay. Ayan, ang ating kaibigan na si Bayanggo daw. Ayan, lalabs, happy birthday, and always have a good health, no? So, I'm so thankful na, yun nga, no, nakilala kita, and then we have a bonding. So, by next week, we are planning to meet again. At salamat po sa mga bumuo sa Team Kaagapay at sa walang sawang suporta po for each other. As I always said, I am so busy, kaya minsan lang talaga ako napapasok sa mga premieres, pero ako may live, ako may sariling live, which is yung mga team ko naman po ang nagsasub in case I'm very busy. So, ayan, lalabs, thank you so much for everything. Ayan, always have a good health, and again, happy birthday, and I love you. Mwah. Ingat!